Desperation is setting in for millions of Americans. This is the line for a food pantry in Pennsylvania. Hundreds of cars snaking down the highway. It brings to mind images of bread lines from the Great Depression of the 1930s. In Miami, these folks are ignoring social distancing to get their hands on a precious unemployment application form. There is hope today that better days are coming.
The hospitalization rate does suggest that it's coming down, and we are flattening the curve.
But Dr. Anthony Fauci warns we cannot let our guard down.
We've got to continue, in many respects, to redouble our efforts at the mitigation of physical separation in order to keep those numbers down and hopefully even get them lower.
And does he really think we should never shake hands ever again?
Sounds crazy. We're never shaking hands again?
I did it almost a little bit tongue-in-cheek, but not really. There was a bit of reality to that. It's hit us smack in the face.
We're learning now that the COVID-19 virus reached New York City from Europe in mid-February, much earlier than previously thought. The virus has spread throughout the city's mass transit system, and it is devastating the ranks of transit workers. At least 41 of them have died, and 6,000 more have fallen ill. That's 3 times the rate of first responders like cops and paramedics. With hundreds dying every day, freezer trucks have been brought in to store the bodies. We spotted these trucks lined up side by side outside Bellevue Hospital in Manhattan. Reinforcements are on the way. These healthcare volunteers from upstate New York got a hero's send-off as they headed south to lend a much-needed helping hand to the Big Apple. And can the virus be spread by neckties? That's the warning from the governor of Virginia, a physician. He no longer wears a tie.
Neckties actually harbor contagious pathogens.
And Kelly Ripa is feeling the strain of being cooped up.
I'm currently not speaking to 2 of my 3 kids right now. My kids won't hug me. They're like, part of, yeah. And I'm like, guys, we've all been in lockdown together. We're fine. You can give me a hug. It's fine. Anyway, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm crying.
Last night, Jewish people observed the start of Passover, and in all the centuries of time, it has never been conducted like this, virtually, over Zoom.
Pestilence, boils, hail, locusts.
The peak of COVID-19 is expected to hit the USA in just 4 days, landing Easter Sunday. It is forecast that more than 2,200 Americans are expected to die from the virus on that one day.
Easter, which is a good day for a resurrection, will be the peak. It's going to be close to that for other parts of the country, maybe a week later if they're that far behind New York and Los Angeles. But that's a good sign because after that, I'm hoping we'll start skiing downhill. It'll be easier because we'll have enough beds, enough ventilators to deal with new patients who get ill.